how to start practice. This is the summer season. Temperature of Allahabad is very high. When compare the temperature of the all cities and villages, we will find that Allahabad is having in the highest range. But when we think of temperature and high temperature, when we think of summer, then we want to get away from this hot climate. Then we think of cold. Then we are using cold water. We try to take cold bath. We try to use ice. We try to use so many cold drinks. In the market when you go, everywhere you will find cold drinks are sold. Therefore remember, the moment you are having cold drinks, maybe fridge water or ice saturated water or any kind of cold drinks, in that you are hating more heat. When we are having more thought of going away from the heat, this is we are practicing aversion, hatred. Then that hatred activity, function of a hatred consciousness, try to eliminate valuable things from the body, then we get diarrhea. We get unnatural sweating. Sweating is important to keep body in perfect air condition. When air conditioning of the body has to be maintained, sweating is very important. But when we have hatred, then we have unnatural sweating. Therefore, our practice should start in this way, that whatever we feel climate today, try to feel it. We are very, very fortunate that the head to toes, which is element of truth, when we were experiencing it in the winter, then we were not able to experience it deeper. Now, we are ready to experience it with the help of this summer climate. We have different perception of head to toes, and we must enjoy it. If you are not enjoying it, then you are missing this great climate. When it will disappear, then you will think we have missed a lot. This body temperature will remain 98. When we think and we have thought that if you have temperature, then we should have cold bath. That is correct for ignorant people. For example, children, they do not have any concept. Then when they get high temperature, we give cold bath, ice bath. Temperature reduces. And when we are elderly, and when we have temperature, when we have this philosophy of Kriya Yoga meditation, then hot bath will be better than cold bath. You may not be imagining that I take a hottest bath in this summer. The temperature of my water which I use for bath is very hot. When I throw on my body, I feel like hot tea. But I enjoy it. I never suffer from any temperature because I do not have any aversion from the heat, from the summer. I enjoy it. Therefore, first Kriya Yoga practice in day-to-day life, in present time, is this. Appreciate this summer climate. Do not have any aversion that summer is bad. Try to enjoy its presence. Feel head to toes more and more. Therefore, remember to start Kriya Yoga meditation in this summer, to appreciate this summer climate. Do not have any aversion with this. Enjoy its presence. Moment you will enjoy its presence, we will not drink unnatural chilled water. When you have more and more drinking chilled water, you will get more and more diarrhea because of the aversion from the heat. The sixth climate of India is very, very important. They are forcing our journey towards truth. If you like or not, if you enjoy sex climate, automatically our journey is towards a sphere of truth. This opportunity we are not having in other countries. Therefore, you see, according to the population, according to the so many problems here, still sleeping pills are minimum sold here in compared to other countries which are developed, materialistic developed countries. There you will find sleeping pills are more sold. And here is less. All doctors, psychiatric doctors are having roaring practice in those countries who are materialistic rich. Here psychiatric doctors are not having good practice. They have stress because they do not have practice. They are not having patience sufficiently. Now let us join practice with this concept, Karmadyevadhikaraste mam phalesh kadachan. We have only one right to perform activities. Never try to find out ultimate truth. What is this, what is that? When we are practicing Kriya Yoga meditation, never try to observe we are practicing correct or incorrect. Try to measure only one thing. We must practice with the great joy, with all patience and courage. When we are practicing with great joy, then we will never see the watch and we will never have any stress in practice. Practicing with the great joy means enjoying practice more and more. Try to observe this and continue practice, then we will realize our journey towards a sphere of truth is very good.